Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samila Khan, and today my video is about the smoke test of duct. It's a duct smoke test. What you need to do to put inside the smoke and check the where is the leakage. So you have to check the points. You can see there when we pressurize with the blower, the smoke come out of that place, and one place is there. And this is the method how to check the leak of the duct, where are the leakages in the duct. So you have to insert smoke first inside the duct, and close all the duct from every place with the dead necks, and then pressurize it with the air blower. So when there will be leakage, the smoke will come out from the leakage, and you can repair that leak later. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Samir Khan.